In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager. By the end, you'll have your Analytics Measurement ID added to Tag Manager, so your website can send data to your Analytics property cleanly and consistently. We'll start in Google Analytics. Open your account and head to the admin area, which you'll find via the gear icon, typically at the bottom left of the interface. In the Property column, click Data Streams. If you have more than one stream, choose the one associated with your website. On the Stream Details page, locate the Measurement ID. It's the identifier you'll use to link Google Tag Manager to this analytics property, and it usually begins with the letter G. Copy that ID to your clipboard. We'll paste it shortly. Now switch over to Google Tag Manager and open the container for your website. From the workspace, click Add a new tag. Give your tag a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. Something like Google Tag for GA4 works well. Next, click Tag Configuration. In the list of tag types, select Google Tag. This is the tag type designed to work with your Google Analytics 4 property. In the tag settings, paste the measurement ID you copied from Analytics into the appropriate field. This links the tag to your specific Analytics property. Before saving, set when the tag should fire. Click the plus icon in the triggering section to add a trigger. A common choice is All Pages, which sends data on every page load across your site. This is typically what you want for a primary analytics tag, ensuring consistent measurement without extra setup. Once that's selected, click Save to store your new tag configuration. To make your changes live, click Submit at the top right of the Tag Manager workspace. You can optionally add a brief name and description for this version to document what you changed. This helps with organization and team collaboration. After reviewing, confirm the submission and then click Publish. Publishing finalizes the update so your Google Tag begins sending data from your site to your Google Analytics property. That's the full connection process. Copy your measurement ID from Analytics, create a Google Tag in Tag Manager, paste the ID, set your trigger, save, submit, and publish. Give your data a little time to start flowing. Clear, consistent naming, and careful version notes will make future updates easier. Great job! Your Analytics and Tag Manager are now connected.